Good morning, students. Today we are here with the second practical of class 12 biology, that is pH of the soil, right? So here we have taken the aim to study the pH of soil sample from different localities. So here the material required is what we need. We need soil from 3 different sites. So look here, we have taken soil from 3 different sites. One we have taken from the garden, one we have taken from the roadside, and one we have taken from the porter, that is the person who make pots, right? That is. So after this we have taken the pH paper. Look, this is your pH paper. Water we require water for this. We have taken distilled water for this. We have taken filter paper also. These are the filter papers which we have taken for the filtration process. Then we have taken funnels like this. We have done this whole setup for performing this practical. We have taken test tubes also. So now let's come towards the theory. That is, pH is what? pH is the measurement of the level of acid or alkali in a substance. We have to measure that either the substance is having the acid or alkali, right? So here the acidic solutions have the low pH value, then basic or the alkaline, and the most soil have the pH value between 3.5 to 10, right? So normally soil can be classified according to their pH value. So that pH value will vary from 6.5 to 7.5. So we have to perform the practical now. What we will do in this practical, we have taken this setup, and look, here we had written here that this is the porter side, this is rod side soil, and this is your garden side soil, right? So we are going to take this glass with water, 100 ml of water, and we have taken this glass bowl. So what we have done, so we have to take sample of soil, garden soil we have taken in this. We have to take soil in this and then just mix it well. This is your garden side soil which we are mixing in the 100 ml of water in a beaker. Right? After mixing well, we have to keep it here. Then we have to take second soil. I'm taking from another side of spatula. I'm not taking the same spatula. Look. After taking this, what we have to do is, we also have to mix this 100 ml of water. This is our roadside soil. Mix it well and then keep it. Then we have taken this third soil, that is your porter side from the porter. We have taken this soil. We are mixing this soil from the porter. Third sample of soil we are taking and mix it. Then what we have to do, we have to filter this. Again I am coming to the garden side soil, mix it again, and then this is our filtration setup. I am going to filter this, right? So filtration is going on. This is our second sample. And this is our third sample. Here you can see the percolation level also. Water holding capacity also you can see in this practical. But we will perform that practical also. Because this is our garden side soil. Look, the water retention is normal. It is retaining water, and because it is retaining, so it is good for your plant growth. Look, very less water get filtered. And here in this roadside soil, large amount of water you have seen. See, look. And in this porter side soil, less amount of water, because it have to retain water. because we will make pot from this soil. So filtration process is going on. Now we can easily take readings from this. What we have to do, we have to just get the pH of this. Right. So we are going to take the pH now. Now I have this filter paper, this is pH paper. I have to take one of the pH paper. Look, I'm taking one pH paper, and here I'm taking first sample of our soil, that is here. Very gently I'm doing. Look, this is our garden side soil. So we will match the color of this. What is the pH? Look. pH, and the pH value, I'm going to say this, I'm going to match this. This is a garden side, it is 6.0 to 7.0 range कर रही है. We can write that it is 7. We can write it 7. Right? So this is good for plant growth, as we know that. It is. We can write it, we will not write in the exam that we have taken this soil from the garden side. We will write sample A, sample B, sample C, right? Because the examiner will not tell you from where he had taken that soil sample. That is the part of it, right? Now, this is your roadside soil having. You have to match the pH value. It is near about 5. It is near about 5. So here we can write 5. 5.0 to 6.0. Then third is your porter. Again we have to take a new pH paper, and then what we have to do is we have to take a new pH paper, right? I thought there is some problem in this. Look, we are going to match this, and this is neutral, this is 7, because this is the bottom side soil, and here we have to write 7 in the field. In the exam we can write, in spite of this garden side, road side or portal side, we can write sample A, sample B, sample C. We will not write this garden side, road side or portal side. You have to identify yourself that according to the pH, what you will prefer. It is good for plant growth or not, right? So in the exam you have to write sample A, sample B, sample C. But here I am telling you, I had told you that we had taken the sample from 3 sides, that is garden side, road side and the portal side. Then we had performed this practical. After doing this practical, we have made this observation table. Now we have to go for the precautions. In that, we have to handle the glassware with care. Of course, we have to handle with care these glasswares, and we have to take this pH reading with care, because it's very keen. We have to do very keen observation with this pH value. We have to match the color only. It's very easy to understand and easy to perform. Right? So I hope you have understand this practical. Thank you very much.